Out here on the water, life just feels different. Land life stress fades away, the world slows down, and your soul finally gets a chance to breathe. This is why we sail, for the freedom, the fresh starts, the strangers who become lifelong mates, and the places that make you feel like you've discovered a little piece of the world all for yourself. Of course, reality still comes along for the ride. The washing still needs doing, the deck still needs to be cleaned, and in this episode we cheekily challenge King Neptune himself by changing the name of our beautiful vessel. But it's all part of the adventure. For the sunsets that stop us in our tracks, and the sunrises that remind us just how lucky we are to be out here. It's grounding, it's liberating, and to be very Aussie, it's bloody life-changing. With every new challenge, every new adventure, we're reminded exactly why we chose this life. We're Cozzy and Mitcho. This is Salty Days, and these are our Salty Days adventures. Welcome aboard.
We're just pulling into La Marina, and I don't think I've ever seen so many boats in one spot. Very windy, by the way. 20 knots of wind right on the nose. Yeah, I just wanted to show you how many boats are here. I don't think I've ever seen so many boats in my life, but there are a lot, and we're just trying to find somewhere to anchor, and then we're going to jump in our tender and go to see where the water jetty is. Before, if you didn't hear, was these Salty Straps adventure hats. Well, won't let you down. They stay firmly affixed when you're adventurizing life on the water or mountain climbing, whatever floats your boat. So they're also made from waterproof nylon, so they're quick dry and they are super sexy. You can get them from saltydays.shop. Check them out. Sounds good. Well, we figured this one's not reserved for an elephant man. Emplacement reserve A, elephant man. Okay. Alright, we've landed. Mitcho's just chaining up the tender, and yeah, let's see what this cute little town, I shouldn't say cute, it's massive. It's got a massive marine presence, let's just say that much. Alright, what are we up for?
Right, just going to do some washing. I don't know whether they do the, if their suds are automatic or not.
It says something there about suds. One thing people don't always think about when you're living on a boat is the clothes washing. Our beautiful girl, Salty Days, is an ex-charter catamaran, so she doesn't have some of the extras like a washing machine or a water maker. And without a water maker, running a washing machine just isn't practical anyway. They're both on the wish list, but for now this is just part of life afloat. Every so often we load everything into the dinghy, find a laundromat and spend a few hours getting it all cleaned before hauling it back to the boat. Bit of a mission, but that's cruising life. This load set us back about 40 Aussie dollars. Small price to pay to have your clothes clean.
Washing was 40 Australian and shopping was 114 euro, which is about 200 bucks Aussie. So
I'm eating it very much.
no, like literally just cheese.
Yeah, we got a bit of chicken and
Oh yeah, we got sausages. I also love that we got cream camembert and we got 2 baguettes. So anyway, nice one. Woohoo! Got a boat job day today. When we bought the boat, she was called Wahikan. And look, we know that it's bad luck to change a boat's name, but we did a bit of research to see what it meant and couldn't really, like, even if it meant something lovely, then we could have gone with it, but it doesn't really have a meaning. So we must ask the old owners what encouraged them to call her Wahikan. Oh, it's a horrible name, it just doesn't mean anything to us. So today, boat work, we are in the tender prepping the side of the boat to put the new sticker on. So we've taken the old stickers off, but we need to do the new stickers. So that's our job today.
According to ancient maritime tradition, every vessel that has ever sailed the oceans has had its name recorded in the great ledger of King Neptune, ruler of the seas. For centuries, sailors believed that changing a boat's name without first removing it from Neptune's ledger would bring nothing but bad fortune. Whether it's superstition, folklore, or something else entirely, one thing is certain. This week, we're about to officially replace a name in King Nep's ledger. When we bought this boat, she was called Wahikan. We loved the name and wanted to honour it, so we spent some time trying to uncover its meaning. But we didn't find a thing. And if our home is going to carry a name for us for the next chapter of our lives, we wanted it to be one that meant something to us. The name Salty Days has always meant more to us than a business or a boat. It's a way of life. It's about chasing adventure, spending your days on the water, breathing in the salty air, getting salty, getting outside, and making the most of every opportunity this incredible world has to offer. Our motto is simple: seize the day. It's our reminder to stop waiting for the perfect moment to start living, to say yes to the adventure, embrace the unknown, and make memories while you can. That's why naming our boat Salty Days was such an easy decision. It already represented everything we believed in, and now it carries us to every new destination, every new friendship, and every new adventure.
We are done! Woohoo! We are officially named. And how sexy does that look? High five, babe. That looks amazing. Oh, our boat is now named, baby. That looks amazing.
absolutely awesome.
So good.
It looks so good when that stripe's coming up, I reckon.
Yeah, we've got a bit more to do. Seize the day, baby. It's raining. I'm going to clean. And what better time is it to clean than when it's raining? Oh my gosh, it's really, really raining. It's really, really raining. Have fun. Sun's come out. This is so fun. The starling got dirty. That little star. Oh, I tell you what, this moppy thing, it is so good. It is so good. It cleans things, it's light, it's easy to use. I've already sprayed a bit of sugar soap on it. This is so nice. So it's got the sugar soap in it, so when it gets wet, it just cleans. And I know I've got water all over the lens, but this is real, baby. This is so fun. It took like 10 minutes and the boat looks amazing. It's nice and clean.
Yeah, we've stayed one night in the Le Marin. The Le Marin Marina, and we are pulling up the anchor to go and get water and a little bit of fuel, and then we're going to get the F out of here. Not that we hate it, but we have just bought some new toys and I am chomping at the bit to use it. Just stopping to get water. So trying to get off the boat is interesting, but how about I just go up here? All good. my first go. My first go at jockeying the boat. We filled up with fuel, and we got 50 litres of fuel and full tanks of water, and when we get some rain, fill our water tanks up, which is like right now, because it is raining, alright? If you're cruisers, it's definitely worth a stop at Le Marin Marina. It has just changed hands, so we found it very, very difficult to get any sort of response by email. In fact, I never got a response. I think Channel 9 is the channel to call them via VHF, and they have fuel, obviously fuel and water. Huge marina, huge marina. All med style anchoring or berthing, so backwards, forwards, in. Oh my gosh, the restaurants, the supermarkets, all very close to the marina, all within walking distance. And the best thing, I got a fishing rod. Oh my gosh, those squid won't know what hit them. And we also got a trawling fishing rod, so Caribbean fishing, here we come. I cannot wait. It is going to be so fun to do a bit of fishing here, and hopefully we'll catch some mahi. We just want to catch something very specific to the Caribbean that we've watched. Anything. So rather than being specific, Mitch basically said anything.
It's our first treat in a couple of months. We haven't bought any ice creams or anything.
No ice cream.
Very good.
Well, when you say treat.
Well, we haven't bought any ice cream.
I bought not ice cream, but I bought like 10 kilos of Cadbury back from...
Yeah, but that doesn't
count.
It's not ice cream, is it?
It's not the calorie-free Magnum, double Magnum. Cheers. As we set our sights on new horizons, we hoist the sails and chart a course to St. Lucia. We have no idea what's waiting for us, but that's half the adventure. Come and discover this incredible island with us. Thanks for watching.